Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio custom Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज Asian equity markets are slightly in the red. Nothing significant. The Chinese markets are short, so dollar CNH is largely flat. Even the dollar index is flat as well. Oil prices up almost 3% on the news that OPEC Plus may reduce output by over 1 million barrels. But oil जहाँ पे अभी है उसका कुछ खास impact होना नहीं चाहिए on dollar rupee. Dollar rupee is getting much more impacted by the dollar index and equity markets because FPI flows have turned negative. They have sold close to $2 billion since the Fed meeting on 21st of September. So the dollar index and the equities are the important markets to keep an eye on. Now, ye hafta, the important data is going to be from US. The most important, the US jobs report on Friday. Uske pehle ISM economic service will be also watched. There are a lot of market rumors about stress in the European banking system. That's something we need to watch. As of now, the markets have not reacted in any major negative way, but that's something we need to watch. अगर वो blow up नहीं होता है तो हो सकता है ये हफ्ता dollar rupee may spend in a range and consolidated way. So that means option sellers can actually look to benefit from this range bound price action because the implied volatility is still elevated. So what are the strategies one can do? One can of course focus on a strangle or a straddle, but if you want kind of a hedge strategy, there are a couple of strategies which you can focus as well. One is an iron fly, which we have been advocating a lot. Iron fly में क्या होता है? You buy you short a straddle, ATM straddle, and you buy a strangle. So that is a hedged one. So if there is a large intra-week move, you can simply sit on the positions and not panic. Second hedge strategy is basically a butterfly. Butterfly में क्या होता है कि you not only bet on a range, or you can even bet on a slow upside move as well. In this case, an upside, you can even bet on a downside move as well. But because there is an overall upside theme in the market, yes, it's in a corrective downward corrective phase now, USDINR. But क्योंकि overall एक upside theme है, इसके लिए what you can do is you can do a butterfly around let's say if dollar rupee pulls back towards 81 or 81.10 levels on the spot. What is a butterfly? You buy at the money call, you sell twice the quantity of an out of money call, and you buy one quantity of a far out of money call. So that creates a butterfly, which may your unlimited risk is not there. So your risk is up to the premium that you have paid. And if the market gradually moves higher eventually, then you can benefit from this trade. But a butterfly is better suited to do with a month-end option than with a weekly option. For a weekly option, it's better to focus on, if you want to do a hedge strategy, with an iron fly. Now, coming to the market levels, 81 to 81.10 is going to be important support level on USDINR. जब तक ये 81 का level is holding, तो then we can continue to focus on this range of 81 and 82. And as I said, it looks to be in a range bound phase for this week. Then cross INR. In euro and pound, we may see some kind of an upside correction even more because GBP has corrected a lot after touching 1.03 against the dollar. It has bounced to almost 1.12. There is still a scope for an upside because there are rumors coming out that the UK government may roll back some of the tax measures. So if that's the case, if that actually happens, then pound may see a little more upside. But overall theme in euro and pound is bearish, but this is more of an upside correction. The market became excessively short and the short covering is continuing. So the short covering may continue in euro INR and GBP INR for this week, at least till the US jobs report on Friday. On yen INR, we expect a kind of range bound to slightly bearish price action because USDJPY is showing a slight uptrend. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.